Alright, so we've cleaned this pretty good. We've cleaned all the little pieces here. It springs up and down. We've cleaned out the roller real well. We took a popsicle stick, okay, and you cut it like this and put it in the groove. And that cleans it better and won't damage it. So there's a little bit of oil in here. I can see it. I don't really want it in there, but it'd be kind of difficult getting it out of there. So basically, I think oil is really bad to have in any of these. Just a light amount of oil might be okay. But what happens is it gunks up and it attracts dirt and all sorts of other problems. Yeah, look at all that. There's a bunch in there. So the other thing that, like, you can see it here, you see very, very light amount. I've sprayed it in here. And you don't want to spray up to here because that's where the legs of the tuner conduct. If you do, just scuff it up. And like what I did was I took a rag and I wiped it. But over there and there. So this piece here will sit, and that's where it conducts. I don't know if the front really matters actually, but this part definitely does. So make sure that you have not insulated this too much. If you know you got bolts going through the other side, but let's just like make sure that this is good. You know, we don't want any extra crap in the way of the path. We want to make sure that it can make easy contact. So that needs to go down here and be able to get in there without being insulated by clear paint. You could use, you don't have to use clear paint, but like basically I don't want to see spray paint inside of my tuner, so the clear paint is pretty much just invisible. So I highly recommend doing that, especially if it hasn't already done something stupid. Pull it apart, spray it, make sure everything's clean. This thing's pretty dirty. This thing had, you can see back there, something weird had happened, and I don't remember exactly what happened. But all that black is carbon from something. And these diodes, see these diodes back here? And somebody ordered those from MFJ because they actually mount on the other side. And they go bad, and then your meter doesn't work. So my other one down here is slightly a different board. This is the board in this one, and then here, let me show you the other one.